Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Jacob from Asia Group. Today I'm going to present to you another job offer for today, and it is from Ishin Kato. It is a full-time job for 1 to 2 people, and it is a kensa or inspection and packing job in Nara City. It is starting from 8:30 a.m. to 17:30 p.m. and it has a week and day off, and the salary ranges from 200 to 380,000 yen. Bonuses are possible, and requirements are daily conversation in Japanese, and it is a bonus if you are Vietnamese. For more information, please contact our hotline and visit our main office here in Tokyo, Chiyodaku. Right here. That's it. Have a nice day.